Hello, this is TuckGC, and today we just finished up a project for two neighbors here that live right across this pipe stem for each other. And this was a project that we actually were able to complete in one day, and these homeowners got a very good price by pulling their money together and contracting at the same time. Let's take a closer look. The first driveway over here was a little bit larger in size. We did the nice wide walkway leading to the front porch, and then the driveway continuing down to the pipe stem here. Here's a nice look at that big extended walkway. We made a nice saw cut all the way out to the pipe stem so we could give it a nice consistent look. Notice that we put good control joints throughout. Let's take a look at the other one. Here's a look at the second one. Again, a little smaller in size, but pretty close and similar. Total job here was a little over 1,400 square feet, again done in one day. Here's a shot from the side. Again, here's that nice saw cut edge that we put leading into the old driveway area, or the shared driveway I should say. And here's one final parting shot of both projects. So again, thanks for taking the time to watch the video. We'd be happy to come out and bid on your project. If two neighbors can get together, it'll just save you money. Have a good day.